Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, back with another stunning patriotic project, again from the Liberty Lane collection. This one just captured me this year. I just love the depth of color, and with this classic log cabin block, and of course the way it's situated is just so beautiful. And I love this detail in this three-part border, and that is indeed 3 separate pieces of fabric. It's just incredible, and the fabric is printed on bias. You don't need to be doing any of that bias cutting. It's already printed that way for you. Limited quantities, very limited on this one. So what does a reserve mean is that you can say, that quilt, I absolutely have to have that in my home for my family, or maybe as a gift to give. Yes, I want that kit. And you can say yes to the kit by just a deposit of $10. And then when the kits come in, we'll go ahead, charge it for the balance, and ship that right out with free shipping to the United States. So that's wonderful as well. Backings, you got to have a beautiful backing, and we feel like we found the prettiest one of them all. That's another option for you. You can also reserve that, and we'll be shipping that out at the same time that those kits come in. And as you can see from the other projects on the set, while you're waiting for us to cut your kit, be sure to pick up the additional projects for a perfectly coordinated home. We have the pillowcases in 2 different styles. We have the hot pads, both the round and the circular, and of course the beautiful hanging towels as well. We have supporting videos on all of those, so if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, be sure to do that, and that way you'll be sure to learn about all these new and fun projects, and they are very approachable even for a beginner. So if you're going to go ahead and grab that kit, some of the other things that you might be interested in considering to make your project and make your quilt look just as beautiful as ours here on the set is, of course, some good quality rulers. We ended up using a 12.5-inch square up ruler because these blocks do end up at 12.5. Always a fresh rotary blade in my rotary cutter, and a fresh needle in the sewing machine as always. We used a 50-weight confetti thread in the Confetti KT101, kind of an off-white, patchwork pins, seam rippers, and Kai scissors, of course my pressing mat, and a good iron. So this one, very special, visually spectacular, and I don't want you to miss out. Let a friend know about this quilt. Maybe this would be fun to sew this together with someone special that is in your quilting circle. So thanks for giving me a part of your day to show you this amazing quilt. And be sure to subscribe. That way you'll be the first to know about our upcoming projects. See you soon.